In their cyber domain, small businesses and organizations get attacked more frequently and with greater success than large corporations and large organizations. Tragically, small organizations and businesses usually hire the least experienced engineers. And by experience, I am not referring to how long someone has been working in their role, but rather how smart they are when it comes to playing defense in the cyber domain. Attackers can use small businesses or organizations as a gateway to a larger target, sometimes referred to as an island hopping campaign. Attackers may infiltrate a small organizations either through technology or social engineering, which is actually quite easy to do with a small business. They may not do anything destructive to the small organization. They can just sit on the data and exploit it for the third party target. This can be occurring for years before anyone can figure it out. If a small organization is operating with a tight budget, one affordable option on the tech side is to implement multi factor authentication. And on the social engineering side, consider implementing the two-person, also known as the out of band verification rule. But the most important thing is that you need leadership on the technology side that takes cybersecurity seriously. For example, if your chief technology officer thinks it's okay to use deprecated technology with no security support, then it's really time for new leadership. If you like what I have to say, like and subscribe.